In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com, step by step. Whether you're looking to enhance your current website or start from scratch, these instructions will guide you seamlessly through the process. So let's dive right in and set you on the path to creating a fantastic website. First, you'll want to head over to wix.com. This is your starting point and the hub from which you'll manage your website. Once you're on the site, look for the option labeled Design Site. Clicking on this will take you into the editor where you can begin customizing the look and feel of your website. Inside the editor, locate the Add Elements section. This is where you can start bringing different components into your website. It's the building block of your design, allowing you to add text, images, and more to shape your content exactly how you envision it. Next, take advantage of the Embed Code feature by clicking on it. This is a powerful tool that allows you to add custom HTML embeddings onto your site. It's perfect for integrating third-party widgets or any special features that require HTML. To proceed, choose the Add Widgets and Apps to your site using HTML code option. Here, you'll paste or write the HTML code of the widget or app you want to add. This can be particularly useful if you want to integrate something specific like an interactive element or a unique service. After setting up the HTML widget, navigate to the website address field. This crucial step might seem a bit technical, but it's where the magic happens. Type in Alibaba products. This helps define what you're embedding. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and in the correct format to avoid any hiccups later on. With that done, hit Apply. This action confirms the changes you've made and incorporates them onto your page. You'll see your HTML element appear on your site's design, ready for editing and resizing as needed. After applying the changes, you can close the HTML widget dialog by clicking the X button. This won't remove your widget, it will simply exit the editing tool and return you to your main site editor where you can continue adjusting other features. Finally, the most critical step is to save your work. Always remember to click Save before you exit the editor to ensure all your changes are preserved. This keeps your work intact and saves you from having to redo any steps. It's a tiny action with huge importance, so don't skip it. And there you have it, a structured walkthrough to help you enhance your Wix site using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. These steps aim to simplify the creative process and give you the confidence you need to craft a beautiful web presence. Thanks for watching and happy designing.